Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Xbox Series X wall mount is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious gamer looking to optimize their setup, offering a sleek and efficient way to display and store their console while simultaneously improving airflow and freeing up valuable space around their entertainment center, ensuring a clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing gaming environment that enhances both the look and performance of their prized possession. Number 5. Xbox Series X wall mount with controller and headset holders. Are you struggling to find a place for your gaming console and accessories? This wall mount is designed to keep your gaming area neat and tidy, offering a perfect solution for storage. Experience uninterrupted gaming with our advanced ventilation design. It ensures your console stays cool, preventing overheating even during extended play sessions. Keep your controllers and headset within easy reach. The detachable holders allow for flexible organization, ensuring your accessories are always ready when you are. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this mount provides a sturdy and reliable base for your console. It's built to last, protecting your valuable equipment. Installation is a breeze with the included manual and level. Mount it near or behind your TV to save space and elevate your gaming experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the Xbox enthusiast in your life? This essential accessory is sure to be a hit, offering both functionality and style. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive storage solution, this mount is a great choice. It offers excellent ventilation to keep your console cool during long sessions. If you need to keep your controllers and headset organized, its detachable hooks are perfect. You should consider this if you want a tidy gaming setup with all accessories accounted for. What people say. The mount was easy to install and set up. The console fits into the mount securely and didn't budge. The holes in the back for the cables makes cable management easy. This wall mount is extremely sturdy and holds the Xbox Series X with total confidence. Installation is simple, and it keeps the console safe, organized, and out of the way. The holes for routing cables allow the cables to go either left, right, or down versus being only one direction. Seems well designed with ventilation in mind, so there shouldn't be any heat issues with blocking vents like some of the others I saw available. Included accessory holders. Enough for 2 controllers and 1 headset. Number 4. VIVO Steel Wall Mount for Xbox Series X, Mount, XSXU1. Introducing the VIVO Steel Wall Mount, designed exclusively for your Xbox Series X. Securely store your console on the wall, keeping it safe and accessible. Crafted from strong steel, this mount can support up to 17.6 pounds. It ensures your gaming console remains stable and protected in its elevated position. Choose how you want to display your device. This versatile bracket allows for both horizontal and vertical placement to perfectly match your setup. The innovative open design provides excellent airflow, keeping your equipment cool. It also ensures easy access to all necessary ports for uninterrupted gaming. Installation is a breeze with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. You'll have your gaming setup enhanced in no time. What we like. For those prioritizing a minimalist and secure setup, this steel mount is ideal. Its robust construction ensures your console is safe and elevated. If you appreciate a clean look and versatile display options, this is the one for you. Choose this if you want a no-frills, durable solution that keeps your console visible and well ventilated. What people say. The metal is pretty beefy and it is heavy. As you can see in the photo, it is almost 1/8 inch thick, 30 mm, so I was completely confident it would easily support my system. The black powder coating is also a nice matte finish with no chips or scratches. It comes with bumpers that you install on the tabs to protect your system's finish. The steel is very heavy duty and it is more than adequate for keeping my system safe on the wall as there is zero wiggle. Number 3. JDGPOKOO 4-in-1 wall mount for Xbox Series X. Tired of messy consoles? This innovative wall mount keeps your gaming device securely stored, freeing up desk space and protecting it from accidental bumps. It's designed to fit perfectly without blocking any essential ports or disk drives. Keep your console performing at its best with the integrated cooling fan. It features 3 adjustable speeds to efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it operates quietly for an uninterrupted experience. Enhance your gaming atmosphere with the vibrant RGB light strip. Choose from 7 different lighting modes to match your setup, and enjoy the convenience of a memory function that recalls your last setting. The lights can even operate independently of the fan. Never run out of power or connectivity options. This mount includes 3 USB ports, 1 high-speed 3.0 port for data transfer and 2 2.0 ports for charging controllers, phones, or other accessories. Keep everything powered up and ready to go. This sturdy 4-in-1 kit is crafted from durable ABS material for reliable protection. It comes with 2 detachable controller holders and a headphone hook, offering versatile and organized storage for all your gaming essentials. Installation is simple and secure. What we like. If you want to elevate your gaming atmosphere, this mount with a cooling fan and RGB lights is a fantastic option. It not only keeps your console cool but also adds a vibrant aesthetic to your setup. If you need extra USB ports for charging controllers or other devices, this mount has you covered. Consider this if you're looking for a feature-rich solution that enhances both performance and visual appeal. What people say. The fan that cools the system down works very well. You can change the colors of the lights, as well as the speed of the fan. Sturdy, quiet, and streamlined. We were able to mount this easily and don't worry about our Xbox falling at all. Number 2. HIDEit mounts Xbox Series X wall mount. We are proud to be an American company. Your purchase supports hundreds of American jobs and helps us continue to create high-quality products. This wall mount is specifically designed for your Xbox Series X console. Please note that the console itself is sold separately and it is not compatible with other Xbox models. Our unique wrap design ensures your console stays secure in place. You can rest assured that your device is safe and protected with this sleek mount. Don't worry about overheating. This mount allows for full access to all vents, ports, and disk drives, ensuring optimal airflow and performance. Crafted from heavy-gauge, cold-rolled steel, this mount offers exceptional durability and strength. The powder coat finish prevents rust and chips, protecting your device from scratches. What we like. This mount is for those who value strength and a sleek, unobtrusive design. Made from heavy-gauge steel, it offers ultimate security for your console. If you want a mount that keeps your Xbox Series X flush against the wall while ensuring all vents are accessible, this is your best bet. You should choose this if you prioritize durability and a clean, minimalist aesthetic. What people say. It allowed me to neatly hide all the cables as well. Easy to set and very sturdy. Looks great on the wall. Very solid mount. Superb quality, fits perfect and safely sits behind my TV. Number 1. Xbox Series X Wall Mount Kit. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this mount offers exceptional strength and toughness. It provides stable support for your console, protecting it from daily wear and tear for lasting durability. Designed with precise compatibility in mind, every port and slot aligns perfectly with your console. This ensures a seamless installation and a secure fit, preventing any wobbling or movement. Its unique design leverages the excellent thermal conductivity of aluminum alloy. This allows for rapid heat dissipation, creating a stable environment for your console and extending its lifespan. With its sleek lines and modern aesthetic, this mount complements your console's design. It seamlessly integrates into any home decor, adding a touch of style to your living space. Installation is a breeze with the included guide and minimal tools required. Even if you're new to setup, you can quickly and easily secure your console in just a few simple steps. Keep your gaming setup tidy with the integrated controller stand. It provides a convenient place to store your controllers when not in use. What we like. If you're looking for a durable and stylish solution, this aluminum alloy mount is a superb choice. Its high-quality material ensures excellent heat dissipation and long-term durability. If you want a mount that fits your console perfectly and complements your decor, this one stands out. Opt for this if you appreciate a blend of modern aesthetics and efficient cooling. What people say. It instantly made my setup look cleaner and more organized. The quality is excellent, very well made and sturdy. This product worked wonderful for the Xbox, stays in place and is very durable. Very high quality. Better than I expected. Very easy to install. Hides Xbox behind TV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.